Hey there, Fletcher from All Things Overlanding here, and today I'm talking about a really cool utensil and dish set from a company called Full Windsor. Now, you may have heard of these guys before. They have these really cool magnetically enhanced plates, bowls, silverware. So again, I'm going to walk you through all this stuff. I'm going to show you all the features of it. I have seen this stuff around and I'm super excited to check it out because it's just such a smart, good idea. So if you are looking for a really nice kind of buy once, cry once set of utensils and bowls and plates, this 7-piece set will pretty much give you everything that you need as a solo camper to go out and explore, while also giving you some really nice high quality gear to do it with. So let's get into the Full Windsor 7-piece kit.
Understand where it came from, but you got it, my got it. It began in the land of the sandstorm. I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip.
All right, so again today I'm going to be talking about this 7-piece set from Full Windsor. It basically includes 2 different sizes of shallow sort of plates and then 2 different sizes of deeper bowls. So that's 4 pieces of it. Then the other 3 are the silverware. It includes this nice little carrying pouch that's Velcro. And then you've got your silverware in here. Now, again, the thing that's so cool about Full Windsor is the fact that they make this stuff all magnetic, right? So as you can see, these all just sort of fit together. They've got these little bumps on them that kind of fit into these recesses on the other set. So you can just attach them together. It keeps all your stuff together, so you don't have to worry about losing different pieces and stuff. Here's another really cool feature of these is, let's say that you're sitting here, right, and you're using this bowl. So I demagnetize those and separate them. Let's say you're sitting here and you're eating. You can just throw your utensils. Let's say I'm using the fork and the knife and that I'm having a steak. And I got to get up for a second to go, grab something off of my stove or something like that. Because of the magnetic aspect of these, you can attach these so you don't have to worry about them falling off or getting into the dirt and grime. It keeps it up off the ground and keeps it with your food, which is just a really cool, extra thoughtful thing that they did with this stuff. And again, the fact that it's magnets makes it really easy to pull apart. I mean, a kid could do this because it's so simple. But I just love that idea that if you're carrying this, I mean, I can't tell you how many times I've had a spoon sort of pushed in here, let's say into let's say I had some Asian food or something, I had rice in here and I had a spoon in here and I've kind of accidentally gone to pick it up and flipped the spoon and shot food everywhere. The fact that these are magnetic makes it really easy to keep all your stuff. You put your food in here, and then when you're carrying it over to the fire, you don't have to worry about losing your silverware, dropping it in the dirt or anything like that. And it's easy to find, right? So then when you want to use it, boom, 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 you're eating, done with it, set it on the side, and I love that. So as for the material that they make the silverware, the utensils out of, it is 7075 T6 aluminum, which is lighter and stronger than steel, which I love. Another sort of cool function of these is that, let's say that you used your bowl for something again, and then you wanted to use the plate as a lid. Because they're magnetic, it's going to stick on there. Now, it's not airtight, it's not Tupperware, right? But if you wanted to just kind of keep dirt and leaves, it's fall time here where I'm at. If you wanted to keep leaves and stuff from falling into your food, you could put that on there. You could use it as a lid. The same also applies to the bigger stuff too. They also have other sets. So I'll put links to, multiple sets that they've got. You can just get the silverware. You can just get individual pieces. You can get this 7-piece set, and then they have a bigger one that's like a 35-piece set, I think. So if you had a big family, imagine you just having, just stacks of this silverware and stacks of these bowls and plates all magnetized together. It makes storing it really super easy. It's also eco-friendly in that, you're reusing stuff. So instead of using plastic stuff, I have had some of the Yuko gear stuff, which I really like, but it is plastic. So at some point that's going to wear out. The knife, has already cut kind of gouges in the bottom, but the fact this is that sort of brushed look makes it really easy to clean and also makes it something that's going to last a lifetime, right? So if you're looking to buy a set of gear that's not just the cheap Chinese sort of knockoff stuff online, this Full Windsor stuff has a ton of extra benefits thanks to the quality that they put into the pieces and the fact that it's got those magnetic attachment points. All right, guys, so that will do it for the Full Windsor 7-piece kit. As I talked about, I just think that it's really cool. It's made of super high quality materials. The fact that it's dishwasher safe and the fact that it all magnetizes together, it keeps your utensils up out of the dirt and muck and stuff. And the fact that it just makes it really easy to sort of store these things and keep them in your drawers, for example, or your kitchen set, wherever you keep your silverware and stuff, the fact that it all just magnetizes together is awesome and kind of a game changer. I'm kind of surprised no one else has thought of it. But again, hope that that was helpful for you to kind of share this gear with you and kind of show you a little bit more about the full Windsor stuff. If it was, there'll be a link in the description down below, so definitely go down there and click through that if you want to check this out. With the holidays coming up, these may be a great option for a gift for someone that you care about that wants to go out and explore more. Also in the description down below will be links to all my other social channels, so wherever you want to come hang out, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, I'm everywhere, and I'd love to have you as a subscriber. There's also a join button below this video. That is just sort of a passive way to support the channel. It also gets you early access to the videos and some other perks. So if you want to just kind of say, hey, thanks for the videos, and also I'd like to see them earlier, not have to wait for them to actually come out, same with the podcasts, that's a good way to do it. If you're looking for a more active way to be involved with the channel, I also have a link to my Patreon group down below. This is an awesome group of folks, and we have a 24/7 Discord where we kind of chat about our rigs and our gear and that kind of thing. We do a once a month Zoom call where we all kind of sit around, drink a beer, and just chat, and then we try to get together once or twice a year to meet up in person and go camping. So if that sounds good, check out the Patreon link. There's also a link to my website below this video, and on there I've got funny overlanding camping themed patches and stickers, all things overlanding merch, that kind of thing. So if you're into any of that stuff, definitely check that out. And then last but not least, there's the Newbie Overlanders Facebook group, totally free to join, tons of awesome members in it. So if you're looking for a place to not be bullied, to ask questions, to really learn and or help other people get into overlanding, that may be a good place as well, and we'd love to have you. So thanks again for watching. I hope that was helpful, and we'll see you next time.